Hi, this Google Doc for your research stations activity is going to be your main link for all of the videos that you will need, as well as the slides that you will need in order to finish your research stations packet that your teacher has given you. It will go through the Big Six research process. It will go through evaluating your sources with RADCAB, brainstorming and searching strategies, what is a database, the difference between Google and a database, and how you cite your sources. This is the introduction video. The Big Six, you will need to access the slides as well as the video at the same time. Same goes for RADCAB. Here are the slides, and you will also need to access the video. What is a database? This is a short video on the difference between Google and a database. And as we access our databases, you can access your databases here at Tidwell through our web page, going to Library, going to Resources, and it will take you to this page. And you can see we have Britannica up here, Learn 360, and Gale. Gale, if you click on that, you have access to all of these different databases, and it gives you a short little summary about what is in each database. If you don't see it over here, you also have access to these databases on the right-hand side. Find the password for those databases here on your Google Doc. Your password is here, T1T at NS. That is going to be your password for all of the databases that we have access to. You can work in whichever order you want, and you can also go at your own pace. If you have any questions, please raise your hand and me or your teacher will come around and help you out.